Hi, my name is Raul Ricci. I'm co-founder and commercial director at Idea Italia. Idea Italia is a Guatemalan-based company. We produce kitchen cabinets, vanities, and closets for our domestic markets and export to North America. We chose Threespine because it is the best easy toolless assembly in the world. It has no limits in design and is high-quality product. With Threespine, we produce premium quality furniture. High-quality resorts are secured during production due to Threespine integrated plug-in system. Due to this technology, we can be sure that we deliver solid and robust results that meet our clients' expectations. The use of modern technology, high-quality materials, and updated designs have helped us in our expansion phase. We're currently investing in different areas to reach new markets and meet future demands for the production of furniture with easy assembly. We are confident that it will open major opportunities in new markets, delivering the best easy assembly solution there is for our clients. I can tell you Threespine has helped Idea Italia reach new standards. Easy assembly time, better finishing in our products, and revolutionize our logistic process. Top quality results are the real deal. We trust that Threespine is the technology of the future.